Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to solve question number 2 of review exercise. Iota power n plus iota power n plus 1 plus iota power n plus 2 plus iota power n plus 3 equals to 0. For this, let iota, we know that iota is equal to iota. Iota square equals to minus 1. Iota cube can be written as iota square into iota, which equals to minus 1 into iota, which equals to minus iota. Now iota power 4 can be written as iota square whole square, which is equal to minus 1 square, which equals to 1. Now iota power 5 can be written as iota square whole square into iota. 2 2s are 4 or 1 5. So iota square value is minus 1 square into iota. So minus 1 square equals to 1 iota. Similarly, iota power 6 can be written as iota square whole power 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 power 3, which equals to minus 1. Now look here. Iota square value is minus 1. Iota cube value is minus iota. Iota whole power 4 value is 1. Iota power 5 value is iota. Then iota power 6 value is minus 1. Iota power 7 value is, look, iota power 7 can be written as iota square whole power 3 into iota. So iota square value is minus 1 whole cube into iota, which is equals to minus iota. So the look here, the number are repeated. Iota square value is minus 1, then iota cube minus iota, then iota 4 1, then iota 5 iota. So iota power 5 iota, iota square minus 1, iota power 6 minus 1, iota cube minus iota, iota power 7 minus iota. Iota power 4 value 1. Similarly, iota power 8 value will be 1. Iota power 8 can be written as iota square whole power 4 minus 1 whole power 4, which is 1. So iota power 4 value is 1 and iota power 8 value is 1. So now look here. Put n equals to 1. N belong to natural number. N equals to 1. So we get iota power 1 mean iota. Iota power 1 plus 1 plus iota power 1 plus 2 plus iota power 1 plus 3. Put n is equal to 1 in the left hand side. So here we get iota plus iota square plus iota cube plus iota power 4. Now we have the values here. The iota value is iota, iota square value is minus 1, iota cube value is minus iota, and iota power 4 value is 1. So these two, iota and minus iota, cancel with each other, and minus 1 and 1 cancel with each other. We get 0. True. Now put n equals to 2. So we get in the left hand side. So we get here iota square plus iota power 2 plus 1 plus iota power 2 plus 2 plus iota power 2 plus 3. So here we get iota square, iota cube, iota power 4, iota power 5. Now we have find the values. Iota square value is minus 1, iota cube value is minus iota, iota power 4 value is 1, and iota power 5 value is iota. So now look, this iota cancel with this and 1 cancel, we get 0. Put n is equal to 3. So we get in the left hand side iota cube plus iota power 3 plus 1 plus iota power 3 plus 2 plus iota power 3 plus 3. So we get iota cube plus iota power 4 plus iota power 5 plus iota power 6. Now we have find iota cube, value is minus iota, iota power 4 value is plus 1, iota power 5 value is iota, and iota power 6 value is minus 1. So look, iota cancel with iota and minus 1 cancel with 1, we get 0. So if we put the value of n1, we get 0, n value 2, we get 0, n value 3, we get 0. Similarly, we put all the natural number, we will get 0. Hence it is true for n equals to 1, 2, 3. Similarly, it is true for all n belong to n natural number, because it is periodic, it is repeated again and again, so these will be repeated. Question number 3, express the following number in x plus iota y. So this is simple addition. 1 plus 5 plus 3 iota plus 7 iota. 1 plus 5 we get 6, and 3 plus 7 we get 10 iota, which is in the form of x plus iota y. Here 6 value is the x and y value, so we have expressed it. This is our answer. Part second is subtraction, do it by yourself. Part third is multiplication. So look at here, 1 plus 3 iota into 5 plus 7 iota. Solution, 1 into 5 we get 5, 1 into 7 we get 7 iota, 3 into 5 we get 15 iota, 3 7s are 21 iota square. 7 plus 15 we get 22 iota, and here iota square value is minus 1, so we can write as 5 plus 22 iota minus 21. Now minus 21 plus 5 we get minus 16 plus 22 iota, which is in x plus y iota form. Part 4, 1 plus 3 iota over 5 plus 7 iota. Try it by yourself, multiply and divide it by the conjugate of 5 plus 7 iota, which is 5 minus 7 iota, and then solve it by yourself. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is absolute z1 plus z2 minus plus 1, z1 plus z2 plus 1 divided by z1 minus z2 plus 1 absolute. Solution, z1 value is given that 2 minus iota plus z2 value is 1 plus iota and plus 1 divided by 2 minus iota and minus z2 value is 1 plus iota plus 1 absolute. Now 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4, and iota cancel with iota. Here in the denominator, 2 plus 1 3 minus iota minus into plus minus 1, and minus into plus minus iota whole absolute. 4 3 minus 1 we get 2 minus iota, and minus iota we get minus 2 iota whole absolute. Now we will divide and multiply it with the conjugate of 2 minus 2, which is 2 plus 2, and then we will take the absolute value. R, we can write it as 4 absolute divided by 2 minus 2 absolute. 4 absolute value is 4, and this will be 2 square plus 2 square under the root. Further, we can write it 4 divided by 4 plus 4 under the root, 4 over 8 under the root. Now look, this 4 can be written as 2 times 4 into 4 under the root, and here 8 under the root. Now 4 4s are 16, and over 8 hold this in a single under root. 8 1s are 8 2s are under root 2. This is simple method, so I did it by this method. Note that the absolute of 2 is 2, the absolute of minus 2 is 2. In real number, the absolute just changes a value into positive. When it is positive, the answer will be positive, and it is negative, then the answer will be also positive. And if it is a complex number, for example a plus iota b absolute, so this can be written as a square plus b square under the root.